Ripsu and hello. Welcome to Khmer Healthy Cooking.
What we going to cook today?
We are going to make the salad fruit for today. So we have many ingredients here: white sesame, passion, jackfruit, watermelon, mango, dragon fruit, pineapple fruit, banana, peanut, and black sesame. Okay, now let's start to make it. Okay, we choose, put it all together for mix. Do you like fruit?
Yeah, so much. I like to eat it.
There's many. There we go. Let's start mixing it.
Why don't you put sugar and salt?
Because the fruit is sweet
Okay.
and the sugar is not good for brain, so we don't have to put it.
I can't wait to
Okay.
eat it,
Ready?
to taste it.
So add a passion. Okay. To make it a little bit sour, so we get this different taste.
Smell good.
Yeah. So now we add the top. Before we add the top, we have to add the coconut milk
Why you need to add coconut milk?
because it's good for our health and it gives more taste. Yeah. And then put the white sesame on the top. And the black one. Okay, and we can use the passion fruit skin for the decorate. Right, put the hand peanut inside. If you don't want to add the peanut on the top of the salad fruits, you can get like this. Okay, here we go. It's done. So I hope you enjoy this video and hope you like it and cook it at your home. Thank you and goodbye. Chúc